Hi guys, so today we're going to do a quick video using our UV H6090 machine. Really flexible machine, so you can use it for lots of different things. Today we're going to do things in regards to a piece of wood. Ours has been pre-coated with white, but you could obviously use this with a piece of natural wood, be it a scaffolding board or something like that, where you then cut it up into smaller pieces and then print on it to give someone a personalised gift. Loads of things like this are available on things like Etsy and not on the high street where people are using such machines like ours. So you can do canvases, you can do blocks of wood like we are today, you can do pieces of acrylic, loads of different options depending on what you want to offer your client. I'm going to go through a quick video in terms of printing this for a particular company who's done some sponsorship for a local football club, which you've probably seen on some of our other videos that I've been doing recently, just to give you some more ideas of what you can use the machines for to earn you some extra income as a business. Okay guys, so just to go over everything that we've just done, we've obviously purchased a piece of block of wood which has already been pre-coated, which is white. You can obviously just buy these natural because the machine obviously has white ink in it, but obviously it just increases the cost to either purchase or obviously the cost of the print itself. So I'm going to go over those two options with you depending on what you may buy. If you was to buy this piece of block white as it is, it's going to cost you around about £3, £3.50. If you was to buy a natural piece of wood where you're going to get the grain and the colour coming through, that's going to cost you about £1.25 to £1.50 for you to obviously then cut down. So there's that added sort of cost and time to be taken into account. But if we go over what they will typically retail for, these are going to cost you around about £35, or shall I say that's what your customer is going to pay for you to obviously print onto this and for them to obviously then purchase. Now the costing of the ink, we've got two options. If you were to obviously have a piece of natural wood, you're going to need to print white ink. So that's going to cost you in the region of around about 30p. If you was to print with just obviously the CMYK and the varnish like we have on this occasion, that's going to cost you only 12p. So you've got a difference obviously to understand and obviously differentiate what you want to offer your client or what they might want printed as well. If they want something which is obviously a natural colour, you need to make sure you're printing that white to give the reflection correct based on what you're wanting to print. But overall, you've got between £32 to £33 profit for this particular item that we've got in front of us. If I was to print this on the machine, I can do 6 in 9 minutes based on the high resolution that we've printed at. The machine can print far quicker if you want it to. Again, depends on what you want to offer your clients. So if we do some maths on that with regards to £30 to £32 profit per item, you're going to be making in the region around about £190 to £200 profit in 9 minutes, which is absolutely fantastic. So if you're wanting to understand a bit more of the GZ6090 machine or the other UV machines that we do, be it smaller or be it bigger, just give us a call 01623 863343 and we'll be happy to help and discuss the options that we can support you with today.